Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 extensions developed by Google for Google Chrome that you must install on your machine. So first of all, we need to go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome extensions. Okay, now going to the first website, which is chrome.google.com web store. Okay, so the first one is simply I'm going to scroll down as the few of them are actually in the editor picks. The first one which is there, that is Google Translate. So by the name itself you can know what Google Translate is going to do. It will translate any website to your language. You can simply install it. You can add to Chrome, click on add to Chrome, and it will give in an option to translate it. Of course, Google Chrome also gives option automatically for translating many web pages, but with this Google Translate you can literally translate any web page into your language. So this is the first extension that you must have, and it is developed by Google. Okay, let's move on to the second one, that is Save to Google Drive. The second one is the Save to Google Drive. Now if you have a Google Drive account, simply you need to log into the Google Drive with your Gmail account, then you can save anything to Google. Now it also offers I think 5 GB free for you. Now add a browser action to save the current page, adds a right click context menu to save hyperlinks and media and all that. So this is you can if you are much into saving many things on your PC, then you can add this extension Google Drive. Okay, let's move on to the third one. Okay, so these are all the extensions which are developed by Google. So one of the extensions that you must have is the Google Keep. I already installed it. Right now it's here, Google Chrome extension, Keep Chrome extension. Now Google Keep is more like a notes website where you can take notes, you can save many things. Google Keep Chrome extension. So I already installed it. Let's see what does it offer, that features. Let's check out the features. Save URLs, text and images, take notes on saved content, add labels to your notes, automatically save to Google Keep and all that. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to the website, that is Google Keep website. So I'm going to show you how you can save many things here, and it will show up in the notes section. So I'm going to open a website to show you how you can. Suppose I'm going to this website, it is Google Analytics, and I want to save it into the Google Keep. So I will click on the Google Keep extension, that is you can see it here. Now save to keep is option is coming. So I have clicked it. Now you can also add notes. So I'm typing notes in notes and it is saving. Right now it's saving. So this is how you can actually do it. Now I'm going to the Google Keep. Now you can see that the notes appeared right here. So this is how you can make use of Google Notes. Okay, let's move on to the next extension. Okay, which is Google Picture in Picture extension that you can install. Okay, let me see where it is. So I'm going to search for it, Google Picture in Picture. Okay, here it is, a Picture in Picture extension by Google. I'm going to open it. Now what does it actually do? There is a video also showing you what does it actually do. So it actually watch videos using Picture in Picture. So it allows you to watch videos in a floating window, always on top of other windows, so you can keep an eye on what you are watching. So this is a very useful extension for many people. You must install it. So if you're watching a video on YouTube, you can simply take it out and you can keep working on other windows and you can actually watch the video side by side on your screen. Okay, the fifth extension, which is also very important, is the Okay, let me go back. It's an extension called Google Similar Pages. Similar Pages by Google. Okay, here it is, Google Similar Pages. So suppose you are reading a blog and you are more interested in that type of blog only, so you can install Google Similar Pages. That is, you can add to Chrome here, this extension, and you can I have not added it, so you can add it to Chrome. And if you click on this icon, just like we are going, we clicked on save to keep extension. So if you click on this icon while reading that blog, it will show you a list of similar blogs. You can see a picture here right now. You can see a list of similar pages, which are which you will be interested in. So these are the 5 extensions which are developed by Google for Google Chrome, and hopefully you will like it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.